Hey guys, it's Miss Allison. We're going to take a look at your last step of your active reading log for night. So let's take a look at this. Your last step is going to be your journal. So this is going to be after you're done reading, you're going to process everything that you read. There will be a prompt here most times. If there's not, we'll give you directions on what to do. But just a more extended response. It does not have to be formal. It does not have to follow PEA or anything like that. We just want to hear from you and see what your thoughts are at the end. So Elie Wiesel discusses how the world remained silent although they knew about what was happening in the Holocaust. Some may argue that they just didn't believe it or that they didn't feel like they could help. Why do you think people were slow to respond, and where do you see such behavior today regarding repression and human rights issues? What can you do to help resolve these issues? And you guys, I'm not going to read the whole response to you. You can do that on your own. But you can see here that there are some different sentences that I wrote. It's not just like a 1 or 2 word answer. I processed, I thought about it, I explained my thinking. You can use the text if it's prompting you to do that, or if you know something in the text that would help you. But the idea is it doesn't have to be, again, something like huge or formal, but a little bit more lengthy and a little bit more meat to it to show your thinking. All right, guys, hopefully this helps.